and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen making two delicious strawberry cocktails. So, one is going to be light and fruity, the other one's going to be rich and creamy. And guess what? They use the exact same ingredients, but we're going to do them different, and they're going to taste different, they're going to have different textures, but they're both going to be delicious. So, let's get to it. We're going to start off with our ingredients. We're going to start off with some rum. We're gonna have some coconut milk, some pineapple juice, some fresh strawberries, and some ice. That's it. So basically what I wanna do is get my glasses together first. I have two of the exact same glasses. Get my strawberries. I'm gonna decorate my glasses. So I'm gonna take a strawberry and just slice it a little and then just stick it right on the side of the glass. Ta-da! We have a decorated glass. I'm going to do the same for the other one. Ta-da! We have two decorated glasses. Next, I'm going to take the green stems off. I'm just going to cut them off so that our strawberries are like that. Okay? So while I'm getting all my strawberries together, you know what I need you to do. That's right. Hit that subscribe button and I'll be back. So as you can see, I've got my handy dandy Ninja blender out. I am going to pour 2 ounces of Bacardi in here. I missed a little bit because that was only 1.5. There we go. I've got 2 ounces of Bacardi in there. We are going to add 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Then we're going to do 2 ounces of coconut milk. Next, we're going to add our strawberries. I just want 4 strawberries. That's it. And then 1.5 cups of ice. One half. There we go. Looks nice and creamy to me. Let's pour that in our glass. And here we go. It's creamy from that coconut milk. Oh my goodness. And the strawberry is giving it that little twang, not to mention that fruity pineapple. This is good, y'all. Now, you can use as much pineapple juice as you want and as many strawberries as you want if you want it to just have more flavor, less flavor. But this right here is good, okay? So I'm going to work on the next drink. Give me a minute and I'll be back. But I'm gonna be drinking this in the meantime. Next one, I'm not going to even rinse this out because we're using the same ingredients. We're still using strawberries. We're still using pineapple juice. We're going to put the rest of that pineapple juice in there. And we're going to use 2 ounces of coconut milk. 3 ounces this time. Okay, and then our ice. And of course, we can't forget our Bacardi. Supposed to be 2 ounces. Is that 2? I think we can add 2 more. No, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, all right, let's blend it up. As you can see, this one is a lot more watery than the other one. The other one was more creamy. I'm sorry. This one is more creamy. The other one was more watery. Oh, here we go. Look at that. So here we go with our next one. Let's give it a try. They do look similar, don't they? Now this one's a lot more creamier. Not to mention I put a little extra vodka in it. Rum in it, so it's a little stronger too. You can put as much rum in yours as you want. You can use vodka with these. You can use tequila with these. But this one, I think I like this one better. They're the same ingredients, but I like this one better. You go out there, you make them, you tell me in the comments what you think. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. I'm gonna finish drinking these.